My name is Lloyd Marino. I am the CEO of Avetta Global. We're a technology company that helps corporations build out infrastructure and custom software. I had the very, very rare opportunity to go visit the Global Seed Vault up in Svalbard, which is an archipelago off the coast of Norway. And I was inspired by the work that's being done up there. I got really involved with Dr. Carrie Fowler, who is the curator of the Global Seed Vault up in Svalbard. He said seed diversity is extremely important.
Crop diversity is the biological foundation of agriculture. It's the raw material, the stuff of evolution in our agricultural crops, not a trivial matter.
So I came up with this interesting concept to try to crowdsource seed diversity. I want to do this by not only figuring out what scientists are growing and what farmers are growing, but more to the point, what people are growing in their backyard. So I was educated on the fact that there used to be 800 varieties of apple. And according to Dr. Fowler, we're down to roughly about 80 varieties of apple. How interesting would it be to find out that there are a handful of people growing particular varietals of fruits and/or vegetables in their backyard? And I believe with big data and the technology that we can utilize in crowdsourcing, there's a million things we can do to build the world's biggest database about seed diversity. If you know where things are growing and you know the environments they're growing in, and keep in mind we can cross-reference this data with global atlases and databases that already exist, weather patterns. So if you're growing something in Louisiana, for example, for the last 50 years, we've known weather patterns. All this data is readily available to us. We can start figuring out the diversity of the seed growing there. So, seeds growing in Louisiana of a particular, say, banana are and the same varietal grows differently in Costa Rica. So with global warming and everything that is changing on the planet, it's super important to have the diversity in seeds.
In the future, in many countries, the coldest growing seasons are going to be hotter than anything those crops have seen in the past. Is agriculture adapted to that? I don't know. Can fish play the piano?
I believe this project has the ability to basically feed the planet.
If we can manage to secure the future of some of these species like we've got in there, it's never been done before for any species.
Like the seed vault itself, ultimately one day could save the world because it could repopulate a particular variety of fruit or vegetable. I think seed diversity is super important because we can now start growing things in different parts of the world and understand why things grow a little better. Thanks for watching. I look forward to working with Singularity University, and with your help, let's save the planet.